Eventually we realized that hunting animals wasn't going to satiate you, so we decided that you could be taught to kill other kinds of animals. People who truly deserve to die.
You're saying you came up with a code?
Harry had a big hand in the details. His law enforcement background was certainly an asset, but
Pause this.
he was operating under my guidance.
I wonder what he'd do if I tried to take it away. The couch is gonna need cleaned. Here. He's so funny. It's all gone. There's nothing down there, retard. It's all gone. Good work. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. He's like an old man.
I'll go.